Okay, hi. We're Maas Electro systems. We're from Holland, and we are a distributor for cable and connectors and assemblies. And we have here all kinds of cables and connectors on the booth. And we're a distributor for Leoni cable, the multimedia cable from Leoni. We're a distributor for Ratex racks. And we have a range power strips for in the racks. The Ratex racks are flat packed, so easily to transport, easily to install. And we have our own range power distribution, also custom. We distribute 1047 connectors and the cable from top cable, power cable. And we have a wide range connectors, accessories. And we are distributed for Neutric. And Neutric with the optical con is very interesting for mobile fiber application. And we also distribute for SEEP connectors.
And what's your web address?
Our web address is maaselectro.nl.